back at it at the local pond. Setting up shop. JP Andrews coming later. Going for the bass, like I said. So we'll be around for that. Stay tuned. Early trout season actually started a couple of days ago, and I wanted to get some trout, but I was like, what am I gonna do when I catch one? Do I just grab it? No, I need like a landing net. You always need a landing net. But I'm not gonna go to the store and buy myself a net because I'm just not that way. I'm gonna try and make one. Okay. So what I actually did is I already got some of the materials. Go to your local Goodwill. Picked this thing up for like $6 and went on Amazon, bought this rubber netting for $10. Alright, so now you got yourself a tennis racket with no strings, but you gotta use some sort of string to get your net on. So take the fishing line, take the net, and you sort of want to put the net in, and then you just feed it through, and boom, you're done. It made the tennis racket into a landing net. Boom, got the net on. The dimensions were a little off, so I had to on the top do this sort of deal. But let's go catching some fish. Yeah, thanks again for watching, y'all. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes.